Today, I'm going to show you how to change your blog URL in the Shopify DropInBlog app. Once logged into your Shopify account, in your dashboard, locate Apps from the menu on the left and click on it. This will open a search box where you'll see the apps you've installed on your Shopify account. Find the DropInBlog app in this list and click on it. If you don't see the app in the list, type in DropInBlog in the search bar, wait for it to appear, then click on it. The DropInBlog app will be opened. Now look for the three dots in the top right corner, then click on it. Then, in the small pop-up menu, click on Manage App. In the window that opens, locate the App Proxy section. Then, under App Proxy URL will be your blog's URL. To the right will be a Customize URL button. Click on that. A pop-up window will open. If you click on the drop-down here, you'll see 4 different URL options. Select any of the 4, then change the name in the text box beside the drop-down to blog or however you want. We'll just change this one to 2. You'll see your new URL right here. Once satisfied with your changes, simply click on Save for your changes to take effect. The last step is to visit your blog. Make sure to avoid skipping this step as visiting your blog page will activate your new blog URL. So, copy your new URL, open up a new tab, and paste your URL in the address bar. Hit enter, and there's your blog, looking great. Let's click on a post. Everything seems to be working great. Now, to check if your new URL has successfully been applied to your DropInBlog settings, simply scroll up, click on Open App over here on the upper right to open the DropInBlog app. Once the app page is loaded, on the left side menu under Apps, then under DropInBlog, click on Settings. In the settings page that loads under blog URL should appear your new blog URL. And that is how you change your blog URL in the Shopify DropInBlog app. Happy blogging!